Today's decorating basic is a true basic. With any decorating, the first thing you're going to do is get your bag and tip ready. Now there's three different kinds of decorating bags available. There's the featherweight bag, which is reusable. It's made of a polyester material. You can put it in your dishwasher and you can use it over and over again. It comes in a variety of sizes. Then there's your disposable bag, and that's called a disposable bag because when you get through using it, you throw it away. And then there's parchment triangles, and I'm going to show you how to make a parchment bag. First, let's talk about the featherweight bag. And you have a coupler, and it's a two-piece system. And with your coupler, you want to drop it into the bottom of your bag, the narrow end first, and push it down as far as you can, then mark it on the first thread. Now, what you normally use a coupler for is if you're going to be changing tips. It's really nice because if I had green icing in here and I was going to be making some vines and then I wanted to make some leaves, I could actually just change my tip out and I wouldn't have to reload my icing in another bag. So see, I'm screwing the front part on with my tip on it, and that's all you do to get the icing coupler and tip on. Now, loading a bag, you want to cuff it and get down, fairly well into it. Take your icing, put your icing in the bag, and then you don't want to load your bag too much because it makes it a little bit more difficult to squeeze. But pull your cuff back up and then push your icing down into your tip, and then we actually need to burp the bag. And the reason you're burping the bag is if you have any air there, you're going to get the air out and it's ready to use. Now, there are large couplers that you can use, and there's to go with the large tips. You can use your decorating bag, disposable decorating bag with the tip just in it, or you can use it with a coupler. Now let me quickly show you how to make a parchment bag. You're taking your point, bringing it around, bringing your other point around, and you're actually making a little bit of a W, and then you just fold it down. And the first couple of bags that you make, you may want to put some tape here on the back. You can use it just like this and have a tiny hole at the bottom, or you can put a tip in the bottom of it by just snipping off the end. And that's the basics of working with decorating bags. I'll be right back.